In the home screen, you can see all the reports as generated from the most recent one to the earliest one. Every action that happened to the connected drives or the unit itself is automatically recorded, including the physical turning on or off of the source switch on the hardware unit. When you open any drive-related report, at the top you will see the header. It contains the most important details of the drive, the port, the case, and the TaskForce unit. Below, there is always the time the report was generated, TaskForce details including the IP address, the serial number, the software and firmware version. The header indicates that the header was connected to a certain port and write protection was enabled or disabled during this session. And there are drive details as well, including the model, the serial number, and the capacity of the device. If you switch between different reports within this case, you will see that the header remains identical, last for the time of report creation. And if case number and other details are added at some point, they will be displayed in the subsequently generated reports. To ensure that all of your reports have case details filled out consistently, go to the Service menu by clicking the menu icon at the bottom right corner of the screen and open the Settings category. In the Cases subcategory, enable the Set Case Details Before Task Start feature, which will prompt operators to fill out case details before any operation can be performed on a drive. Click the Reports button in the top panel to view all the reports ever generated by this TaskForce unit. You can select all the reports and have them printed. But given how many reports there may be, usually you want to search for specific reports. For example, you can search for all reports related to Toshiba devices. And then you can have them printed out. You can choose to have the logs, non-device reports, and information about unit components to be excluded from this printing job. By clicking Generate button, you generate the list of all selected reports. Scroll down to Preview, and here you can notice some reports whose headers look somewhat different. These reports were exported from Atola Insight Forensic, another device produced by Atola, and these reports were imported to this TaskForce database. Click the Print button and choose if you want to generate a PDF file with all the reports or have them sent to a printer. Click the Cases button and find the case which you would like to export from the database. Select the case, click the Export button at the bottom of the page. The case has been downloaded. Now let's import it back to the TaskForce's database. If the case number and the device in the case coincide, the previously existing case will simply merge with the imported one.